Mastering the art of sending SAT and ACT scores. Hello, language learners and test takers. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of the SAT and ACT exams: sending scores to colleges. This process may seem straightforward, but understanding its nuances can give you a real edge. Stick with us to ensure your scores land precisely where they need to. When you apply to colleges, they need to see your SAT or ACT scores to gauge your academic abilities. The scores provide colleges with a standardized measure, enabling them to compare students from different educational backgrounds. The golden rule is, don't procrastinate. After you've received your test scores: 1. Review them. Are you satisfied? 2. If yes, send them as soon as possible. 3. If no, you might consider retaking the test. Remember, some colleges have strict deadlines. It's always better to send scores earlier than the application due date to avoid any unforeseen delays. Both the SAT and ACT have online platforms. 1. For SAT, use the College Board website. 2. For ACT, use the ACT's web account. Steps to send scores. 1. Log into your account. 2. Locate the Send Scores or similar option. 3. Choose the colleges to which you'd like to send scores. 4. Pay the necessary fees. 5. Confirm your choices and submit. Tip: always double-check the college's code or name before sending. Colleges approach scores in two main ways. 1. Score reports. They review all scores from all test dates. 2. Superscoring. They consider only the highest section scores across all dates. For instance, if you did well in math during one test date and reading in another, they'd combine these scores. It's essential to know how your prospective colleges evaluate scores. If they superscore, it might be beneficial to send scores from multiple test dates. For students with financial hardships, both the SAT and ACT offer fee waivers. These waivers can sometimes cover the costs of sending score reports to a limited number of colleges. If you qualify, make sure to utilize these benefits. There you have it. Sending your SAT and ACT scores to colleges is a crucial step in your college application journey. Always remember to be timely, double-check your entries, and understand the scoring policies of the colleges you're applying to. We hope this video has been insightful, and we wish you all the best in your college applications. Until next time.